Brooklyn and welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be this glittery, like kind of pinky brown, like Christmas smoky eye with a red lip. So it's kind of like a classic Christmas party look, but instead of using gold on the lids, I use like a rose gold, and I use the Jac Jossa bPerfect palette, and you'll see that in this look. So I'll come up close. So it's more really pinky, and if I have any mascara smudges, I apologise. I'm in a rush, but it's kind of like pinky, but it still looks really festive. And you could play about with this look, use different colours and just use the same technique to get that beautiful bold eye look, but not too bold. The look kind of goes together, it's full glam. I did use 2 coats of waterproof mascara, but you can of course use lashes, and if you don't like a red lip, use a different lip colour that you prefer. So if you want to see how to get this look, which is perfect for parties, Christmas dinners, Christmas events, or anytime, just keep on watching. So I have done my base and brow routine off camera. All the products I've used will be in the description box so you can see what I used. Obviously I'm showing you on the screen just so you see what they look like in the shades and whatnot, but they will be down below. I done this to save time so it wouldn't be too long of a video for you guys.
Something about you gives me hope. Something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe in?
I'm taking my Ted Baker blush bronzer duo. This was actually part of a Christmas gift set I got years ago. Taking the bronzer side with an angled contour brush by Makeup Obsession. I'm just sculpting out my cheekbones, sides of my forehead, down the jawline and onto the neck to give me that beautiful sculpted look. I always do that with every single makeup look, where that's a quick bronze or like a full-on contour. Obviously I'm doing a full-on contour for this look because it is full glam and I want it to look snatched. I'm taking the blush side of that same blush bronzer duo using my unicorn blush brush. I've had this for years and this is a beautiful kind of rosy pink colour. Taking my I think it's Makeup Obsession's diamond highlighter with my unicorn highlight brush just at the tops of the cheekbones, on the bridge of my nose, inner corners and then the brow bone. Taking my bPerfect Jac Jossa Palette, taking like I think it's like a light medium brown I have a fake medium brown crease shade onto my Makeup Gallery fluffy crease brush, just starting at the outer corners and then I'm blending that colour into the crease and taking it underneath my eyes by squashing the brush, taking it a lovely dark brown with a smaller crease brush. I think this brush is by eBay. I've had them brushes for years, but I'm just defining that outer V and blending it into the crease, but not as high up as the first shade. I want to create more of a smoky glam eye, so I'm using like the darker colour to give me more definition and more smoke. Taking my first brush just to buff out them edges, and then I'm building up with the darker colour again. Taking this beautiful pinky kind of rose gold colour on a shader brush, lid brush I think it is. And I am just placing this onto the lid of my eye, so the inner half, just to give me that glam, glittery, Christmassy look. Taking my Rimmel Scandaleyes black waterproof eye pencil, I'm lining the upper and lower lash line. I never line my waterline anymore with black. If I do that, it's with a nude. Reason being is because I like to create the illusion of a bigger eye and it just gives me more definition. So you do your eyeliner how you want to, but this is what I do just for my eye shape. Taking my Cherie setting mist just to set my whole face into place and fanning it out with my hands, as you can see. Taking my NYX Lip Lingerie XXL liquid lipstick in the shade Untameable. I'm just applying this all over the lip area and overlining. The tip of the applicator really makes this easy just to give me that beautiful glue. Full glam red lip look. I'm taking eyelash curlers. I can't remember what brand they are. I'm taking my Maybelline Firework waterproof mascara I'm doing 2 full coats, just coating my lashes fully, upper and lower, and I'm also taking it to backs of the lashes just to give me that full on jet black false lash effect lash look. And this mascara is amazing. It's one of the best mascaras that I've ever used, and trust me girl, I have tried loads in my time, and this one is just, it's amazing. I love it. It'll forever be in my collection. But yes, if you want to use falsies, you can do that. But if you don't want to, 2 coats of a really good waterproof mascara, especially if you have good lashes to start with, will serve you well. So this is a completed look, a beautiful, bold, full glam, Christmas glam makeup look, perfect for all them festive parties that we are enjoying right now. And I hope you found this tutorial interesting, helpful, whatever, and I hope you have a happy and safe Christmas and a happy new year. Stay gorgeous. God bless. Bye.